Hi, I'm John with FUTEK Technical Support, and this is the IPM650 introduction video. In this video, I'll be going over what the IPM650 is, its specifications, and some of the benefits that make the IPM650 unique. The IPM650 is a panel mount display. It is CE approved and RoHS approved, and it can be used with many different sensors and transducers, sensors that have millivolt per volt output, and sensors with amplified output like voltage and current. The IPM650 comes with the screw terminal blocks for your sensor and different outputs, as well as an international power kit. There's an additional optional stand available for the IPM650. The IPM650 can achieve up to 4,800 samples per second. It can handle full bridge sensors up to 500 millivolts per volt. It can handle amplified voltage output sensors up to 12 volts DC and current output sensors up to 30 milliamps. The IPM650 has USB connectivity, streaming ASCII output, has a large array of analog outputs. It can handle 0 to 5 volts DC out or plus or minus 5 volts DC out. Additionally, there's a large array of current outputs such as 0 to 20 milliamps, 4 to 20 milliamps, 0 to 25 milliamps, and 5 to 25 milliamps. Additionally, there are two solid-state relays that can be used in junction with the alarm functions in the IPM650. The IPM650 can store 21,000 points of information for a data logging test. There's also a shunt calibration feature, as well as a first peak and valley function. The IPM650 can store up to 14 different sensor channels or calibrations, and it also supports TEDS template 30 and 33. FUTEK SensIT software is available for the IPM650. The SensIT software has many capabilities for the IPM650. There's a data logging mode which allows you to capture up to the full samples per second, and there's also a live graphing mode. Additionally, there's some benefits to the SensIT software, such as a remote control of the IPM650 through a virtual front panel display. Many benefits to the IPM650. One of the biggest benefits is having an LCD screen. What that means is that the IPM650 will display the engineering units that you're currently measuring in. In addition to that, there's a units button that can be pressed that changes the engineering units, such as from pounds to newtons, and it does the conversions automatically, so there's no need to do a recalibration, let's say in newtons if you are in pounds. Additionally, the IPM650 has up to 20 noise-free bits of resolution and up to 4,800 samples per second. There's a system calibration available for the IPM650. A system calibration includes the calibration, a live calibration, of the sensor to your instrument. And this is a recommended calibration, because not only do you get an A2LA or NIST traceable calibration of your sensor and your instrument together, but a system calibration for the IPM650 means that the connector for the IPM650 will get attached to your sensor, and the IPM650 will be set up with the correct profile or calibration information inside of it, which makes for a plug-and-play type of usability. Additionally, there's a lockout feature which disables access to the calibrations that are stored in the IPM650. In all, the IPM650 offers superior performance over traditional panel mount displays. For more information, go to www.futek.com.